Bill Gates. William Henry Gates was born on 28 October 1955 in Seattle, Washington. As the principal founder of Microsoft, Bill Gates is one of the most influential and rich people on the planet. Recent estimate of his wealth varies at US $84.2 billion January 2017. This is the equivalent of the combined GDP of several African economies. In recent years, he has returned from working full-time at Microsoft and has instead concentrated on working with his charitable foundation, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. His father, William Gates, was a senior lawyer and his mother, Mary, served as an executive for a major bank. The family were wealthy, but remembering the challenge of the Great Depression, they encouraged their children to work hard and take nothing for granted. At 13, Kate attended the private Lakeside School. It was here that Kate had his first introduction to computer. He taught himself to program in BASIC, making a simple tic-tac-toe game. Kate enjoyed the process of working with computer and arranged with a company, Computer Center Corporation or CCC, to spend time on their computer learning source code such as Fortran, machine code, and Lisp. In 1973, Gates enrolled at Harvard, where he studied mathematics and computer science. However, Gates was more interested in parsing his own coding, and when he saw an opportunity to found his own company, he dropped out of Harvard without finishing his course. Bill Gates founded Microsoft in 1976 when he formed a contract with MIT's Micro-Instrumentation and Telemetry System to develop a basic operating system for their new microcomputer. In the early days, Bill Gates would review every line of code. He was also involved in several aspects of Microsoft business such as packing and sending of orders. The big break for Microsoft came in 1918 when IBM approached them for a new basic operating system for its new computer. In the early 1980s, IBM was by far the leading PC manufacturer. However, increasingly, there developed many IBM PC clone PCs produced by other companies compatible with IBM's. Microsoft worked hard to sell its operating system to these other companies. Thus, Microsoft was able to gain the dominant position of software manufacturer just as the personal computer market started to boom. Since its early dominance, other companies have struggled to display Microsoft as the dominant provider of computer operating software. Programs like Microsoft Word and Excel have become the industry standard. In 1990, Microsoft released the first version of Windows. This was a breakthrough in operating software as it replaced text interface with graphical interface. It soon became a bestseller and was able to capture the majority of the operating system market share. In 1995, Windows 95 was released, setting new standard and feature for operating system. This version of Windows has been the backbone of all future releases from Windows 2000 to the last XP and Vista. Throughout his time in office, Bill Gates has been keen to diversify the business of Microsoft. For example, Microsoft Internet Explorer became the dominant web browser, although this was primarily because it came pre-installed on most new computers. In recent years, Internet Explorer has seen its market share slip. One area where Microsoft has never been successful is in the area of search engine. Amazon Live Search has struggled to gain more than 5% of market share. In this respect, Microsoft has been dwarfed by Google. Nevertheless, the success of Microsoft in cornering various aspects of the software market has led to several antitrust cases. In 1998, US and Microsoft came close to being broke up into three small firms. However, on appeal, Microsoft was able to survive as a single firm. Although Microsoft was the dominant computer firm of the 1980s and 1990s, they are now seen as an aging and declining company compared to the more dynamic Google and Apple. Bill Gates is married to Melinda French, married in 1992. They have three children: Jennifer, 1996, Rory, 1999, and Bob, 2002. With his wife, Bill Gates formed the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Bill Gates says much of the inspiration came from the example of David Rockefeller. Like Rockefeller, Gates has sought to focus on global issues ignored by the government. He also expressed an interest in improving the standard of public school education in the US. He has appeared with Oprah Winfrey to promote this objective. In respect to charitable philanthropic activities, Gates has also received encouragement from investor Warren Buffett, who have given away $17 billion through the Gates Foundation. Gates has also sought to prioritize issues that improve the health of the population rather than vanity projects. Speaking at a TID conference in 2009, he said about malaria. From 2008, Gates has worked full-time on his philanthropic interests. It is estimated Gates and his wife Melinda have given away $28 billion via their charitable foundation, including $8 billion to improve global health. Thank you.